Hey, just wanted to do a really quick little follow-up video to the Facebook ads. Just wanted to show you Power Editor as well. I did say in the last video that I don't really use Power Editor that much anymore, but it does have a few little benefits that I just want to make you aware of so that you can make your own decision either way, whether you use the basic editor or whether you use the Power Editor. So I'll jump back over to Facebook and we'll have a quick look at that. So in the Facebook Ads Manager, you will see that over on this left-hand column, we've got a Power Editor option, and I've already got that open over here to add Nurse's T-shirt campaign. First time you use Power Editor though, you're going to need to do this download to Power Editor, which will take any ads that you've already got and bring them over into Power Editor. The two don't seem to sync up automatically, so you've got to do this download option. So we can see all of our campaigns. Within the campaigns, we've got the ad sets, and we just had that one ad set. We can see we've got our budget details all come across, so we can see our start and end dates, our $50 budget. Something that you can do in the Power Editor that you can't do in the normal editor is this ad scheduling. So I'm just going to click on the more options there. By default, it runs ads all the time. What you can do is you can actually specify days of the week and times of the day that you want your ad to run. So that's a pretty cool little feature if you just wanted to start, just wanted to do daytime or just wanted to do evenings or, night shift. Maybe with nurses working shift work, night shift might be a better time to run the ads. I don't know. So that's something that's pretty cool with Power Editor. So if you did want to run ads at different times, make sure to jump into Power Editor to do that. Just have a quick look in audiences. I don't think there's anything different now. It used to be that all these extra demographic sort of stuff was only in Power Editor, but now they've moved that across to the basic editor now as well. So that's all pretty much the same. Placement's all the same. Optimization and pricing's all the same. If we go into the ads, we can see our two ads there. Things that are different here. You remember I mentioned the headline length. I think it was 30 characters in the normal editor. There doesn't seem to be a limitation here. We can put as much as we like in. So we can make that headline as big as we want. I'm not going to save this. We can also change the display link as well. See, it defaults teespring.com because we're running on Teespring. If we want to say something else, like nursetshirts.com, we can actually change that so it doesn't automatically look like a Teespring ad. So that could possibly increase your conversions as well if people don't like Teespring. If they have had a bad experience with it before perhaps, or don't like the idea of waiting for a Teespring campaign to end, they might not click through, but if they see something else there rather than Teespring, that might entice them to click the ad. Besides that, there's not really anything different. So they're your two main things, or your three main things. The length of your headline there, the fact that you can change your URL, and that you can set those time frames on the previous page there. So that's a rough overview of Power Editor. As you can see, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more confusing. It's not quite as elegant as the other editor, but if you do need those extra features, come in here, have a look at Power Editor and play with that instead. So that was the basics of Power Editor in a nutshell. I hope you found that useful. Now that's pretty much wrapped up the course, but we're going to do one more quick video. I'm just going to go over a few little bonus extras. So head on over to that, have a quick look, and then we're pretty much done.